What if you could earn money online, share your videos, music, or apps without YouTube, TikTok, or Apple taking a big cut? What if there was a way to connect directly with your fans, get paid instantly, and pay almost no fees? Sounds impossible, right? Well, that is exactly what TRON is trying to do. Let's break it down in simple words. What is TRON, spelled T-R-O-N, is a blockchain network focused on content sharing. Think of it like a new version of the internet, but this time you are in control. Right now, if you upload a video to YouTube, they take up to 45% of the money you make. TRON lets you share your content directly with your fans. No middleman, no big company taking a huge cut. You keep most of what you earn. It is like building your own YouTube or Spotify, but with more freedom. Why TRON was created. Let's say you are a musician. You create a song. You upload it to Spotify. Now what? Spotify may take up to half your earnings. They might also not promote your music unless you are already famous. TRON was built to fix this. It allows you to share music, videos, or apps directly through the blockchain. People can pay you using TRX, the coin of the TRON network. You get paid instantly, with low or no fees. It is fair, fast, and global. How TRON works. First, speed. TRON can process about 2,000 transactions per second. Compare that to older systems like Ethereum, which used to handle just 15 to 30. That means your payments happen almost instantly. Second, low fees. TRON allows you to stake TRX coins and earn something called energy and bandwidth. Think of it like charging your phone. Once you're charged up, you can make calls, or in this case, transactions, without paying each time. That is why TRON is perfect for small payments. Let's say you want to send your friend $1. On PayPal, you might pay 30 cents in fees. On TRON, it could be almost free. What is TRX? TRX is the coin that powers the TRON network. It is used to pay, vote, and run apps inside the TRON system. Think of TRX like fuel. Without it, nothing moves. People use TRX to tip creators, run apps, or vote for the leaders of the network. Who runs TRON? TRON is run by the people, but with a twist. Everyday users can vote for who should maintain the network. These people are called super representatives, and there are 27 of them. They process transactions and keep things running smoothly. But here is the problem. A few big wallets, called whales, own over 70% of all TRX. That means they have more voting power. So while TRON is supposed to be decentralized, a few rich users still control most decisions. TRON in the real world. Is TRON actually being used? Yes. In 2022, the country of Dominica made TRX an official currency. That means you can legally use TRX to pay for things, just like dollars or euros. As of 2024, TRON has processed over 947 million transactions, and over 2,300 apps have been built on it, from games to finance tools to NFT marketplaces. These figures show that TRON is trusted by people and even by the government of Dominica. TRON has benefits, but also a few downsides. The pros: fast transactions, almost no fees, great for creators, and already being used in the real world. The cons: a few whales control most of the voting power, and it faces strong competition from Ethereum and Solana. TRON is trying to build a fairer internet, an internet where you control your content, you earn directly from your fans, and no company takes a huge cut. But to succeed, TRON needs to give more power to regular users, not just the whales. Still, it is one of the most active and affordable blockchains out there today. So what do you think? Would you use TRON to support your favorite creator? Let us know in the comments below. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more crypto explained in simple words. Coming next, Litecoin or DIA? Tell us what you want to see.